Most players think shred is all about speed, but what if it's also about creating sound illusions? Let's prove it. In this video I'll show you 5 licks that sound complex but are secretly easy to learn. You'll get tools to impress, create and break out of stale phrasing without needing monster technique. One of these sounds way harder than it is, and the secret is just a smart little move. That's coming up. Here's one that twists the classic open string lick into something that sounds flashy but feels almost too easy to play. Start with 4 16 notes and then flip it into triplets. That shift alone makes it sound unpredictable, even though the move itself barely changes. It runs smooth, it loops forever, and it works on any string. Now check this first variation. It keeps everything in 16 notes, no more triplets, steady pulse and no rhythm changes. Now let's try it in sextuplet, 6 notes per beat. Then comes variation number 2. It might look harder because you are using 3 fingers now, but it's still super playable, and if anything it sounds even tighter when you get it flowing. The trick to all of this is to let that open string ring out. If it's clean, the lick jumps out of the mix immediately. Angus Young used this kind of phrasing, and so did Eddie Van Halen. It's a classic move that never sounds boring. Pull-offs to open string can expose everything, so go slow. Listen to what your fraying hand is doing. If it's clean, then you can start pushing tempo. This isn't about playing harder, it's about letting the strings do some of the work and use phrasing that tricks the ear. It looks complicated because your brain can't predict it, yet your fingers love the motion. That's the trick. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Here's where things look flashy, but there's a hidden shortcut. These licks give the illusion that every note is picked, but the pull-off at the beginning, that's the key to the whole thing. You can break this into 2 triplets, the first one with the pull-offs and the second one with all the notes picked. You can use fingers 4, 1 and 2 for the first triplet, and then 1 and 2 and 1 again for the second triplet. Try it somewhere else on the neck. It gives the illusion that every note is picked. Now let's flip that into a pentatonic version. Same concept, 2 triplets, one with the pull-off and the other one with all the notes picked. This one you can go with fingers 1, 2 and 3 for the first triplet and then 3 and 1 for the second. Try in different positions. Let's hit one more, this time with a diminished shape. It's a super fun lick and it's deceptively effective. You're building legato strength, rhythm tightness and picking control all in one place. Don't aim for flash yet, just make the notes ring. And if it looks fast but it feels easy, you nail it. You don't need a lot of notes, you need patterns that defy what's predictable but still feel easy to play. This next one sounds layered and expressive, but it's just a simple melodic shape, repeat across positions. You can drop it right into a solo and instantly add depth. It sounds advanced, but that's the illusion. It's just one pattern you move around the neck. Variation 1 just shifts the same pattern 2 frets up. Nothing changes but the position. You can play it somewhere else. And this last one stretches a bit more, but the structure stays the same. The key is repeating the shape. You are not inventing new licks. You are just moving one idea and letting it build momentum. When something sounds advanced, don't assume it's hard. Sometimes it's just a clever idea. Repeat with intention. Some players hear this and think it's impossible. But it's not. It's just an illusion. Tapping is the ultimate room of mirrors technique, and this next lick is a great example. There are a ton of combinations you can make from this. You can keep climbing with the tapping finger while everything else stays locked in one place. Try this variation too. Tapping gets a bad rap sometimes, like it's only about flash, but there's way more to it than that. Think By, he didn't just tap fast, he composed with it. Some of his licks sound unplayable, and yes, some of them are, but not all of them, and that's the beauty of this technique. It can sound huge without needing insane chops. That's what tapping really is, the perfect illusion. If it looks hard, people assume it is. Use that, you are not cheating, you are creating licks that sound advanced but are built on simple moves. This one sounds like you mastered the whole neck, but it's just a single move repeated the right way. Think in terms of triplets, 3 notes per beat. It gives your hand a structure to lock into while the shape keeps shifting. Now try this variation. Here's one more, different shape, same idea. The diminished sound, instant shred. Thanks to Ingve probably, still it's a magical sound, it never gets old. It always sounds impressive when executed right. Most guitarists overthink shred, we always try to control every note, but sometimes the secret is just to let the shape do the work. And remember, if you're playing and it starts to feel uncomfortable, you are probably on the edge of a breakthrough. Which one of these licks surprised you the most? Or which one are you going to play first? Please let me know in the comments. These licks were kind of easy, but if you want to learn the tools to play harder licks, this is the video that you have to watch. I'll see you there.